Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset these BT Whole Home Wi-Fi premium discs. So factory settings, so I got these second hand. I'll have a video on that. So obviously I've got to reset all three of these. So I've done these two. Now this one's plugged in, it is working, but it will still have all the old owner's stuff on it, like settings. So literally get a pen or something like that, hold it in the factory reset button for about 10 seconds. Then when we release it, as you can see, that blue light has gone. And now you see it's coming back on. See, it's now flashing blue, and then it should stay blue. And that means it's reset and it's working again. Thank you guys for watching. I have multiple videos on these discs and how to use the app, how I'm going to set these up. So if you're interested in any of that, go and check it out. But I'll see you in the next video. Bye.